sweetie darlings. Today I'm going to be reviewing my new Paris Hilton 2-speed hand blender. It comes with 3 accessories and I've been using my mum's hand blender. It's a different brand, but I use it so much that I wanted my own. So when I move out, I'm gonna have my own blender. And I love the hand one because it's so convenient. You don't have to clean a huge device and you can just like blend it right in your cup. I love these reduce insulated cups. I also love the mono ones, the tall ones, the Hydro Peak. Like, as long as they keep your drink cold for 24 hours, I really love that kind. So anyway, we're going to open this. Okay. It's so pretty. All her stuff is so cute, but I don't know about the quality, obviously. I haven't really purchased anything from her yet, but this is the top part where the battery is. It's pink and gold, like many of her products are pink and gold. And then here is the blender part. I'm going to compare it to the one my mum uses. So I can see the blade is smaller and it's a bit thinner on this side, but we're going to see how it performs, because if this isn't good, then I'm probably just going to get the same one my mom has. But I wanted to give it a try and to just see how this really performs. Okay, so here it comes with the brochure, quick start guide, and the instructions. Cute. So this little measuring canister thing, so I guess you can blend in there as well. And it also comes with a whisk, different attachments, and then it comes with this, which you can use for like food processing. So you can chop up garlic or like herbs or like anything really, meat, whatever. So on top of that, like that, and then you would be able to blend whatever you need. Eggs, omelets, right? Anything really, anything you need. That's pretty cool. But again, being cute is just being cute. We'll see how it actually performs when it comes to my smoothies, because I drink smoothies almost every day. And we are going to see how it holds up against frozen vegetables. So what I'm using is the smoothie blend. So I got this from Aldi. It's a Green Dream smoothie blend. It's got mango, pineapple, apple, spinach, avocado, and it's unsweetened. Excellent source of vitamin C, and I love them so much because they come individually packed, and it's a lot. I usually actually have half at a time because I blend other things in, but you can see the spinach and the avocado, everything that says it has. So we are just going to open this, and I'm only going to pour half of it into my reduced cup. There we go. And then the other half is for tomorrow. And then I'm also going to take my bananas and strawberries from Signature Select. You can see right here. Add them in here. Big ones here. And then the Core Power protein shake. That's what I use as my base. It's low in sugar, carb, and calorie. And then I'm going to take water to like rinse it out. So, and then I take skinny mixes, and this is the unicorn one. It's a blue raspberry frosting. I put just a little bit, just a tiny little bit, because it is quite strong, just for a little flavor. a scoop of greens, because, you know, just so you are getting enough greens, and that's what it looks like. Put one scoop in there, just like that. And then we are going to test this out. Of course, we're going to rinse it first. Put this on like that. We're going to test the quality. Let's see how it performs. Hopefully it performs well. Okay, plug this in. It blended everything, and that was frozen. Pretty good. Not bad at all, right? Especially for Paris Hilton. A lot of people just think his stuff is just, you know, cheap or whatever because it's just got a name on it. But I love this acai superfruit pack as well by Sambazon. And we're just gonna break it in half. Okay. And I'm gonna just use about half of it. Using one in there, we're gonna try it again. Guys, I'm really impressed. I wasn't sure what to expect, right? Because usually pretty things, especially with celebrities putting their name on it, sometimes it can be crap quality, right? But this actually performed really well. Like, and it doesn't feel as robust as my other one, because as you can see, like, the other one is just bigger, thicker, has a bigger blade. But this one actually, like, I don't know, like it just felt really powerful, and it didn't struggle to cut up the frozen fruit at all. And that's pretty amazing. You'd think bigger blades, bigger device would be more efficient, but like, no, like I actually felt like this did better than this one. Oddly, I don't know if it's the shape of the bottom or whatever, but this one clearly has a thicker blade. Like, this feels more substantial, but this one actually, I don't know, I feel like this one takes more effort to chop up the, like, I have to step. This one did it faster and smoother. I don't know how, because it doesn't feel as strong, but it was. So I'm really impressed with it. Really impressed with it. So yeah, that's actually so cool. Look at how well my smoothie turned out. Oh my God. And of course, let's taste it. Perfect. It's perfect. I love it. Cheers. So yeah, I definitely can recommend this Paris Hilton hand blender. I'm so excited. Okay, just for shits and giggles or whatever they call it, let's put it in here and just see how the blade is when it comes to that. Ooh, cool, look. That is so cool. Okay, now we're going to test out the last attachment, which is the whisk. Obviously, if it can blend up, the whisk. Okay, so there's an attachment here. So you put the whisk in like that, and then this goes at the bottom, like that. Let's check it out. That is cool. Obviously, if it can handle frozen fruits, it will have no problem beating some eggs. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my Paris Hilton hand blender review. And right now I can definitely highly recommend it because I think it feels great. It performed really well. And I'm gonna do another update in about a month, and I use it every day. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.